Welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Creation. Today we will solve a cantilever beam with point load at tip. Here you can see we have a beam of 3 meter length and 4 kN load acting at the tip of beam. First of all we will calculate the reactions and then we will draw free body diagram, shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Let's calculate the support reactions. In case of fixed support, we have three reactions. One is in vertical direction, one for horizontal, and the one is moment acting at the support. So let's start the calculation of reactions. For that we will use the condition of equilibrium, that is summation of Fx will be 0. The sum of all the forces acting in x direction will be 0. In this case we have no force acting in x direction, so our Rx reaction will be 0. Similarly, the sum of all the vertical forces will be 0. In this case, we have one vertical load acting in downward direction, that is 4 kN. So our Ra reaction will be in upward direction, that is 4 kN. Now let's calculate the moment at support A. For that we will use the formula moment arm into the load. 4 into 3 will be 12, and this is in anti-clockwise direction, so that's why we will consider it as negative. So our moment will be minus 12 kilonewton meters. Now let's draw the free body diagram. Here we have a beam AB of 3 meter length with force acting in downward direction at B and the reaction in upward direction at A, that is 4 kN, and the moment in anti-clockwise direction, that is 12 kN meter. Let's draw the shear force diagram. For that we will consider only the reaction forces. Here we have beam AB. At support A we have a support reaction of 4 kN in upward direction, so draw a line in upward direction of 4 kN. And up to B there is no force, so draw a straight line, and at point B the 4 kN force acting in downward direction. This is our shear force diagram with positive shear of 4 kN. Let's draw the bending moment diagram. For that we will consider the moments acting on the beam. At point A there is moment in anti-clockwise direction of 12 kN meter, so draw straight line in downward direction of 12 kN meters. Up to B the moment will be 4 into 3, which will be 12 kN, so draw a constant straight line up to the B. Join these 2 points to get the bending moment diagram, and this is the negative bending moment of maximum 12 kN meters. This is our problem. This is the free body diagram. Here is the shear force diagram with maximum shear of 4 kN, and this is the bending moment diagram of maximum bending moment 12 kN meters. This is our today's lecture. Thanks for watching.